The 2025 Toyota GR Supra Turbo delivers the kind of heart-pounding performance that driving enthusiasts dream of. Its legendary 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine roars to life with 382 horsepower, ensuring adrenaline-packed acceleration and a top-tier driving experience. Whether you crave the hands-on control of a 6-speed manual or the effortless precision of an 8-speed automatic, the GR Supra delivers on all fronts. Built with precision engineering and rear-wheel drive dynamics, this machine is not just a car, it's a statement of power, agility, and style. Inside the GR Supra, every detail is crafted for the driver who expects more. Luxurious materials, intuitive controls, and an 8.8-inch infotainment system come together to create a cockpit designed for comfort and connectivity. From the track to the open road, dual-zone climate control and sport-tuned seating ensure you're always riding in style. And with a sleek hatchback design offering just enough space for essentials, the Supra proves it's as practical as it is exhilarating. As Toyota bids farewell to the GR Supra in 2025, the final model is the pinnacle of innovation and craftsmanship. Mechanical enhancements like adaptive dampers and a stiffer anti-roll bar ensure unparalleled handling, while the exclusive A90 Final Edition pushes boundaries with 429 horsepower and bold aerodynamic upgrades. This limited edition masterpiece, restricted to just 300 units worldwide, celebrates the Supra's legacy and gives fans a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Don't miss your chance to drive perfection.